Alright, so we defeated the first obstacle, which is that big hill. So now our goal is to catch a fish. I'm out here with Nathan and his dad. We gotta get out there. It's nice and calm and quiet. We got the ATV out, 4-wheeler, and hopefully we find a fish. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so welcome back. Today we're doing some white fishing. We're finally out here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm excited. Man, it feels so good to be out here, honestly. It's just so warm out in this cabin. Outer cabin here. That's what I love about it. Nathan and his dad, they're already fishing, but I'm still trying to set up here. It's the YouTube life, man. You missed that nice morning bite, but it's okay. At least we catch a couple, I'll be happy. I would be really happy just to catch like 3. It's my first outing, so. Got him. Yes. Got him. That's a nice fish. Oh, there's a school down there. There's a school down there. Relax, chill. Relax. Holy smoke, it's been so long. Dude, there's a school down there. Go. Got him! Yeah! That's a whitefish.
What?
That's a whitefish, yep. That's a big whitefish.
Wow, that's so weird.
Yep, the other ones weren't whitefish, dude. Oh, digging.
Let's go.
Jeez, relax. Yep, on the drop shot again.
That's
There you go,
nice
guys. Another nice shiny fish. Look at that thing. So pretty. Look at that. That's so cool. Good eats. Shank them. 2-man shanty, you could have just fished next to me. You don't have to fish in the same area.
That's true.
Oh, I got fish. I got fish, bro. Got him. Let's go. And we're on. Oh, there's another one down there. There you go, guys. And we're on. Click. Now this one's bigger. Come on, look. Oh, jeez. Yep. I got you, Mom. Relax. There. The whitefish. Dude, he hammered it. Yeah, hit him in the head. There he goes. Yeah, see, this one I'll keep. My boy Danny's good luck, dude. Oh, it's awesome.
Dang.
Here we go. Lead him out. Nice and clean. Dang, Danny's good luck for real. But, Daddy. Oh, I don't know if I have any waxies on. Oh, I do. Go ahead, go. There's a school on you. Dude, there's a freaking school on me, bro.
Oh no.
Go. They felt small though, so I don't know. Here he comes. Got him. That's, oh, this is a nice one, dude. There's another one down there, dude. There's another one down there. That's crazy. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a good fish. Look at him go. Oh my God, he's not going up. There you go. Nope, it's just a little guy, a little fighter. Can I keep it, bro?
Yeah, dude, that's not bad.
Yeah, where's my plier, dude? Holy cow, I never had this issue with these things. They're like chowing down really hard, dude. They're like biting onto it. See, it's a little guy, but it's alright.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Yeah, we'll keep it. He's right under me. Dude. Oh my, there's two. I don't think these are big. Got him. That's crazy, dude. This one is nice. I felt them hit it. Wow, dude, that's so cool.
Look at that.
Look at that bend, dude. Yeah, this one's nice. Yep, this is the one I want. Relax, relax. The hooks is right around. Oh, there we go. Oh, jeez, jeez. He went back in. Ah. There we go. I didn't want to get hooked by that trouble. There we go.
Nice.
Yeah, see, these are the average size. These are the good ones. Let me show you guys real quick. There we go. Nice golden fish on that. See that moonshine wrap right there? Jigging wrap, whatever. On that drop shot. It's amazing. And there's some fish down there. I mean, that's a good thing that we don't lose a fish. But another good fish, guys. We're almost done. So don't want to let them out too fast. There we go. There we go. And they're gone. Oh man. Oh, there you are. There they are. Got him.
Oh.
This one's, I don't think this one's that big. Yep. Nope, it's a little guy. I'm gonna let this one go. Relax. Chill.
Oh no, that's pretty nice.
Nah, it's pretty small. I mean, it's nice, but it's pretty small. Relax, dude. Chill. Relax. Relax. I'm gonna let you go, buddy. Yeah, this guy came flying, dude.
Dang. Yeah, oh yeah, that one is small.
Yeah, it's small, yeah. Like, it's just the same one as the one I caught. Ugh. Alright, see ya, buddy. Jeez. Yep. So I'll just be up here. I might even camp out here.
You should.
Yeah, it's pretty calm. Oh, I got fish. I got fish. Got him. On the jigging wrap. Oh my god, this guy's heavy. What is this? Oh, dude. This guy's fighting hard. Oh. This guy's running. Dude, this guy's fighting really hard. What? Oh, jeez. Dude, he's gone. Oh, this is not a whitefish, bro. I don't think so. Nathan? Nathan, you wanna help me, bro? I don't think it's a whitefish. I don't think it's a whitefish, guys. He's running. I hope it's a whitefish.
It's a muskrat.
Right? Oh my gosh, no, stay off of that. Oh, it's a big whitefish. Dude,
No way.
massive. I mean, it's not that big, but it's big. Oh, dude. Thing's huge, dude. This thing's big, dude. Look at that. That's a really nice whitefish right there. The biggest one of the outing. He choked the jigging wrap. That's crazy. I didn't think he was going to hit it. That's the biggest one of the day. Wow. That's insane. Alright guys, check this out. On the phone with my boy Danny. Oh, that's a nice whitefish right there. Look at that thing. Silver, shiny. That's what we like. It's a beautiful fish. I'll rip this one with my finger. There you go. That bloodshed. It's gotta be a big dude, man. He's so freaking smart. Oh, there he is. He's back. Got him! Let's go! Damn, bro, Danny crazy, bro. Finally, dude. Oh, it's a nice one, too. It's a nice one, yep. There we go. Finally. Here we go.
Let's go.
There you go, guys. Nice fish. Oh, jeez. Relax. That is a beautiful, shiny whitefish right there. They're so cool looking. Oh my gosh, dude. Alright guys, so let me talk to you guys real quick. You guys can see I'm having a ton of fun. Like, I love white fishing. I got my bro Danny on the phone with me and just having a good time. I mean, that's what's so much fun about whitefish. It's simple. I'm gonna show you guys my rig here real quick. It's a simple way of fishing. It's a simple way of like just targeting whitefish. You don't have to do anything crazy at all. What I got here, if you guys been following me for a while now, I want to show you guys my rig. I got 4-pound test fluoro. I'm fishing braid, right? Fishing 4-pound braid with 4-pound test mono. Okay, sorry, it's mono, not fluoro. But mono with the drop shot setup right here. So I got 2 waxies on there. Okay, and then I got my drop shot set up all the way to like this jig and wrap right here. This way they can see it, they can hear it, they'll go after it. You know, it's an aggressive approach, but this is what's gonna finesse them out. So there's some fish down there right now. I'm gonna drop it down, see if I can catch one for you guys, and we're gonna let it go. He's coming. Got him. Just like that. So subtle, but I felt everything. There we go. That's a nice fish right there. Oh, geez, popped up. There you go. It's a nice crispy fish on the drop shot. Oh, I don't want them to start moving. They move like crazy. Just like that. On the drop shot, the jig and wrap. We're gonna go ahead and release this guy because we still want to fish. Relax, relax. There you go. So, nice little guy. He's gonna go back right in the hole. See ya. Oh my god, every time I pick up the phone, dude. Every time I pick up the... Oh, got him. There we go. It's a little guy. Oh, he's a runner. Look at that rod go. He's a freaking runner. There you go. There's another one down there. Decent fish. Relax. Relax, yep. Just let him tail himself out. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna hug him. I don't... Oh, just relax, relax, relax. Chill, chill. Yep, that's what they do. You don't want to get hooked. Just like that. Hooks are good. Holy cow, there you go. Another small guy. I just do it on the GoPro here. You guys see that? You guys see that? There we go. Oh, relax, buddy. Please, gotta release. And yeah, they're crazy fish, just like that. I'm using a size 8. You go a little bigger, like size 6 is fine, but this is the brand that I'm using. Does it matter? I don't really think so, but this is the size I'm using on the drop shot. Got him. Oh my gosh. One after another, guys. Look at that rod go. Just look at that rod go. It's crazy. It's one after another. Yep, all good fish. Oh, here we go. We went back in. Went back in. Alright, relax, relax, chill, chill. Let me get hooked. And there's some down there too. I just peeked outside too and I came back and there was a fish on my screen. Here we go. It's going back. Don't need no more. Relax, relax, relax. See ya. Here it comes. Oh my gosh, and they're showing up hard. Got him. Jeez, they just won't leave me alone, guys. Catch and release. Wow, dude, look at that. That's so much fun. Look how they fight too. Oh, that's a decent one. It's a big whitefish right there, guys. Going back. Chill, 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 relax, relax. Don't bang your head, don't bang your head. I'm just gonna turn the GoPro to the hole right there. Big guy going back right there. See ya, buddy. That's a big whitefish. Wow. There's a fish on me. What the heck? There's a fish on me right now. Got him. I I just went and checked up on Nathan. I got one already. What the heck? Oh, he's a big one. Another nice fish. Going back. Okay, chill. Relax. Oh my god. Relax. There we go. Jeez. That's crazy, dude. I just got done checking up on my boy. Just dead sticking it. I'm trying to reorganize everything, and these fish just keep coming in hot, dude. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. There we go. Dude, we got another one. Jeez. It's insane. Oh, it's a nice one. Another catch and release, guys. Catch and release. See ya. Got him. We got another one. It's the last one, guys. Last one of the day. Here we go. It's a decent one. Nice. Keep this one. This is our 10th fish, guys. This is it, right here. Here we go. There's our last whitefish of the day. We're gonna get the heck out of here because this wind is picking up. So again, come out here, spank them, have some fun. It's awesome. It's so cool. Let me show you guys one more time. There we go. It's a nice whitey for the day. Cool fish. Look at how it's flared out like that. It's so cool. So sweet. Bleed them and get out of here. Last one.